Hi,
I'm Maciej.
and I'd like to tell you where BRAVOMODA came from, a company that has been creating leather footwear for years. My dad fell in love with shoes as a teenager. With his uncle's help, he learned the craft and began sewing his first models in his parents' garage. One of them, Italian-inspired pumps, he took to the 10th anniversary stadium to see if they would spark any interest. He came back without a single pair, but with orders for hundreds more. And that's how it all began. It wasn't easy. There were questions and challenges, but he didn't give up. He looked for his first employees among his colleagues and friends. When the garage became too small, we moved to a larger hall, which gave us real room for growth. We invested in modern equipment supporting traditional craftsmanship. We were able to produce more and better. The company grew, and our shoes gained recognition from more and more customers. We've always been a family business. My mom still tests every new model, ensuring our shoes combine beauty with comfort. Many of our employees have been with us from the very beginning. They are not just a team, but people we've walked a long way with. From a small garage to this hall, much has changed over the years. We have developed significantly, but one thing remains the same. To us, relationships and the people who make up the company are most important. Because it's not just a brand, it's a story we are creating together.